We have just acquired this lovely looking BMW 116 diesel. It's in lovely condition throughout. As you can see, it's in gleaming sunburst red. It's the facelift model. Boots in lovely condition, not been knocked about. Storage covers there. It's got electric windows all round, electric mirrors, multifunction steering wheel. It's the push start. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. You've got Sport, Eco, Pro and Sport Plus mode. It's got the multimedia, so you can play music off your Bluetooth. It's got satellite navigation, media Bluetooth streaming. Climate control, air conditioning, automatic headlights. It's full service history. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.